Hey, what's up everyone? This is Alagar here, and today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how you can use Ableton Live 9, one of the new features of converting an audio sample to Midi. Now there's a lot of things you can do with this, one being you can do some quick remixes if you don't know how to exactly play a certain part of a song, but this way you can extract the audio and convert it to a Midi and then fine-tune it to your favorite synth patch or whatnot to create some nice quick remixes. So this is just it's pretty easy. I'm going to go through it fairly quickly to give you an idea of some of the possibilities you can do with it. Now the song I'm going to use is A$AP Rocky's Fashion Killer, but you can use any song that you would like. So what I'm going to do is just bring up iTunes and I'm going to import the song into an audio track. And you can see it right here, it loads up. Now what I'm going to do is just use the first 4 bars of the song, which give you a little taste of what it sounds like. So I'm just going to use those 4 bars of that opening part, and I'm going to click loop. Because if I convert it, if I don't hit the loop button, then it's going to do the whole song, and I don't want to convert the whole song right now. So hit the loop button, position's at 1, and the length is at 4, what I just adjusted. So then what you would do is just hit Control on a Mac, and you would click Convert Harmony to New MIDI Track. And so what that will do is it will open a new MIDI track and it hits a default to a grand piano. Now I always like to hear what it sounds like on the grand piano. So here is what it sounds like. Okay, so it's pretty close. There's obviously some notes that are off. It's not perfect, so what you're going to have to do is play around with it and see what you like and what you want to change. So the easiest way to do this is just to play the track and then just play around with the certain notes. And I'm going to take this out. Okay, so once you get something you like or close to what you like, then you can take the MIDI notes and bring it into your favorite VST or favorite synth patch. So all you got to do is just drag it right here. I'm using Nexus, one of the Nexus patches right here, and then we can hit play like this. So you can also layer it, so it sounds a little bit fuller. So I just hit Command D, made a duplicate of the MIDI notes, and I'm going to put it into my other synth. And let me just bring this down here so I can just play them all together. And then you can just add all your favorite elements from there. You can, you can play it on top of the original song, like yeah, you can play all of them together. Or you can just play the two together. and you can add your drums effects, what you want over here to give you a sound like how easy this is, and you can just play them all together. Well, there you have it. That's it. So it's pretty easy. It's fairly quick. You can do so much more with this. You know, you can play around. You can do different elements of the song. You can always convert even vocals to give you some harmony and some melody. You can also try converting the melody so to give you some different aspects, and you can convert it to drums as well. So, you know, experiment, play around. I find that it's pretty fun. It's pretty powerful when I'm Ableton Live 9. You know, that's something different that they didn't have in 8. So I've been having some pretty good success with it. So hopefully you will too. Thanks for listening. Leave a message in the comment section if you have any questions. As for now, I'll speak to you soon. Take care.